Compact cooking solutions make dorm life easier with safe heating, quick meals, and convenient portable designs for students everywhere daily. Best Electric Hot Pot for Dorm supports fast boiling, energy efficiency, compact storage, safe use in shared student housing environments. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Sonya Shabu Electric Hot Pot. The Sonya Shabu Electric Hot Pot is designed for users who want high-capacity cooking with stable performance and flexible meal preparation. With a powerful 1500-watt heating system and a large 5.3-quart, 5-liter capacity, it is built to handle group meals, making it suitable for families, dorm gatherings, or shared apartment cooking. The heating element delivers fast temperature rise, which reduces waiting time and keeps cooking efficient even when preparing multiple ingredients. One of its most practical features is the internal divider, allowing 2 separate broths or flavors to be cooked simultaneously. This is especially useful for hot pot meals, where different spice levels are needed, such as spicy and mild options in the same pot. The anti-skid base improves stability on flat surfaces, which is important for safety during high-temperature boiling. Its ETL certification adds another layer of trust in electrical safety standards. Cleaning and maintenance are also simplified due to its removable pot design, allowing users to detach the cooking surface for washing or serving leftovers easily. The non-stick surface helps reduce food residue buildup, making post-meal cleanup faster. In real-world use, this hot pot performs well for soups, shabu-shabu, noodles, and mixed ingredient boiling. It is not just a dorm appliance, but also a versatile home cooking solution for shared meals.
Number 2. AUTUCU 1600-watt electric hot pot is built for users who want precise control, high power output, and multifunctional cooking in one appliance. Its standout feature is the dual control knob system, which separates timing and heat management. One knob provides a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, improving safety and preventing overcooking, while the second knob offers 3 power levels, 400 watts, 1200 watts, and 1600 watts for different cooking needs. This makes it suitable for everything from gentle simmering to high-heat stir-frying. The 1600-watt maximum output ensures fast heating, which is useful for boiling water quickly or preparing meals in minimal time. The ceramic nonstick coating is PFOA-free, supporting healthier cooking and reducing oil usage. It also makes cleaning easier, since food does not stick heavily to the surface, though users are advised to avoid metal utensils to maintain coating durability. The 6-quart capacity is large enough for family meals, making it a practical option for shared dining or dorm group cooking. Another strong point is its ability to sear and sauté directly in the pot, effectively replacing multiple kitchen tools. Number 3. Dezin Non-Stick Electric Hot Pot. The Dezin Non-Stick Electric Hot Pot is a versatile cooking solution designed for users who value multifunctionality, dual-flavor cooking, and easy maintenance. Its most notable feature is the integrated S-shaped divider, which allows 2 different broths or recipes to be cooked simultaneously without mixing. This makes it especially useful for households or dorm settings where people have different taste preferences, such as spicy and mild hot pot bases. The pot supports up to 1500 watts of heating power, delivering fast and even heat distribution through its dual-tube
heating system. This ensures consistent cooking results, whether boiling, steaming, stir-frying, or slow cooking. The 3 adjustable power settings add further flexibility, allowing users to switch between low simmering and high heat cooking, depending on the dish. Its removable 6-liter capacity pot improves portability and makes cleaning significantly easier, which is a major advantage for daily use. The non-stick coating enhances cooking convenience by reducing food adhesion and simplifying cleanup after meals. It also helps reduce oil usage, supporting healthier cooking habits. The separated design improves storage efficiency, making it suitable for compact kitchens or dorm rooms. In practical use, it performs well for shabu-shabu, noodles, soups, and quick stir-fry dishes. Number 4. Olayks Glaze Electric Hot Pot.
The Olayks Glaze electric hot pot is a compact and portable cooking device designed for simplicity, safety, and everyday convenience. It features dual power settings of 350 watts and 700 watts, allowing users to switch between low and high heat depending on the type of meal being prepared. The lower setting is suitable for lighter foods, such as noodles, eggs, pancakes, and pasta, while the higher setting handles soups, stews, and hot pot cooking efficiently. Its upgraded heating plate ensures even heat distribution, reducing the risk of uneven cooking or burning. Safety is a key focus in its design, with built-in overheat protection and dry boil protection that automatically help prevent damage or accidents during use. The ceramic glaze coating provides a non-stick surface that is free from harmful chemicals, such as PTFE, PFAS, and PFOA, making it a safer choice for health-conscious users. Cleaning is simple because food residue does not stick easily, allowing users to wipe or rinse the pot quickly after cooking. Its compact size and lightweight structure make it highly portable, ideal for dorm rooms, offices, or travel situations, such as camping. The detachable power cord further improves mobility and storage convenience. While it does not have high power compared to larger models, it is efficient for single users or small portions. Overall, this hot pot is best suited for users who prioritize portability, safety features, and simple everyday cooking, rather than high capacity or group meal preparation.
Number 5. Bare Portable Electric Hot Pot. The Bare Portable Electric Hot Pot is a compact and user-friendly cooking appliance designed for individuals or small groups who need a simple and efficient meal solution. With a 1,000-watt adjustable heating system offering 500-watt and 1,000-watt modes, it provides flexibility for both slow cooking and faster boiling. This makes it suitable for preparing everyday meals such as soups, oatmeal, spaghetti, and stews. Its 2-liter capacity is ideal for 1 to 3 people, making it a practical choice for dorm rooms, small apartments, or solo cooking. The ceramic glaze non-stick coating ensures that
Food does not stick easily, improving both cooking performance and cleaning convenience. It is also made from food-grade materials, which supports healthier cooking without releasing harmful substances, even at higher temperatures. Safety features, such as overheat protection and boil-dry protection, help prevent accidents, making it reliable for daily use. One of its most convenient design elements is the removable power cord, which enhances portability and allows users to carry it easily for travel, camping, or picnics. Despite its compact size, it performs well for basic cooking tasks and heats food efficiently. However, it is not intended for complex cooking methods like rice preparation or heavy frying. Overall, this model is best suited for users who want a lightweight, safe, and portable hot pot for quick meals and small portions without occupying much space.
like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.